After 3 years of dedicated R&D, Edge Smart Drive proudly announce Edge T3 Digital Video Transmission System. The Edge T3 is for FPV drones, FPV fixed-wing, UAVs, robotic systems. It integrates video transmission, telemetry data link, and RC control, enabling full duplex concurrent transmission of heterogeneous data streams. Effectively reduce costs and say goodbye to the troubles of complicated device networking with wide applications in various fields. The dual antenna design, with max bandwidth 120 megabits per second, and maximum distance of 35 km, ground unit is equipped with full-color OSD display, supporting up to 36 types of OSD information display. It uses the full 5G frequency band, supporting manual frequency selection, automatic frequency hopping, and channel interference scanning, effectively avoiding signal interference and ensuring task continuity. Users can customize the size, position, and icon style of the OSD information and can store up to 9 sets of custom templates. The Edge T3 supports 108p60 fps HD video transmission with latency as low as 60 ms per second. It provides clear and stable visual support whether during the day or at night. The Edge T3 supports almost all brands of AR or VR glasses available on the market, Android phones, and displays with HDMI input. It comes standard with an Ethernet output interface, supporting multi-user viewing on our TSP networks by Wi-Fi. It supports PWM signal output and SPUS input, with full compatibility for multiple protocols. The Edge T3 ground terminal is equipped with a built-in 5000 mAh battery, supporting PD fast charging and fast discharge. It has a maximum battery life of 100 minutes and supports operation while charging. The Edge T3 is suitable for various scenarios, including drone operations for industry tasks, fixed-wing FPV long-range flights, mountain traversing, and unmanned boats for water missions, providing comprehensive visual support for intelligent devices. T3 stands out with its good image quality, low latency, strong anti-interference capabilities, and rich features. It is an ideal choice for video transmission system of unmanned intelligent devices.